Good day, sir. I am Pielago Evraim and I choose the topic, the Treaty of Westphalia. The 1648, the establishment of state sovereignty and non-intervention. This introduces a very important peace agreement that changed how countries interact with each other. Next, historical context. Ended the 30 Years' War, 1618 to 1648 in Central Europe. Ended the 80 Years' War and Dutch Republic. Major European powers involved France, Sweden, Spain, Australia, Germany, and States. This explains what was happening before the treaty. Europe was in a chaos because of long wars, like 30 Years' Wars. These wars were most about religion and power. Many countries were tired of fighting. Next, negotiations took place 1644 to 1648 in Munster and Osnabrück. Over 100 delegations anticipated. Peace signed in 1648, establishing terms for lasting peace. Here we talk about the peace treaty happened. Peace talks started in Germany. Lots of countries joined the discussion. In 1648, finally agreed to peace. Next, significant features. Cardinal Mazarin, France. Count Axel Oxenstierna, Sweden. Ferdinand III, Holy Roman Emperor, and representative from the Dutch Republic and Switzerland. This shows important people who helped make the treaty happen. These include leaders and diplomats from France, Sweden, Holy Emperor Empire, and the representative of the Dutch Republic and Switzerland. Each one had their own interests but worked together for peace. Main outcome: sovereignty, their own religion and policies, non-intervention, external powers restricted from interfering in internal affairs, recognition of independence, Swiss Confederacy and Dutch Republic. This is about the results of a treaty. Countries, we are now allowed the rule to themselves without others interfering. They could also choose their own religion. Some places, Switzerland and Netherlands, became officially independent. Next, political implications. Rise of the modern nation-state system shift from religious authority to secular governance, laid groundwork for modern international diplomacy. So, here we see how the treaty changed politics. Countries started acting like independent states. The power of religious leaders got smaller. It started a new way of handling disagreements through talks instead of war. Next, influence on modern international relations. Basis for international law and diplomacy, principles of the United Nations reflect Westphalian ideas, encourage peace, conflict resolution, and respect for borders. This shows that the treaty affects us even today. It helped create international law. Ideas from the treaty are part of the United Nations. Countries today still try to respect each other, borders, and independence. Last is the conclusion. The Treaty of Westphalia marked a turning point in European and world politics, introduced principles central in global politics today, foundation for the international order based on sovereignty and equality of state. So this is the wrap up. The Treaty of Westphalia ended a big war. It introduced a peaceful diplomacy and the idea that each country is in charge of itself. These ideas are still a very important world of the politics today. So that's all, sir, about the Peace of Westphalia in 1648.